Hello everyone, my name is Stephen Ogechi. I represent Winners Trading Global. Now today we'll be talking about take profit. Now, take profit is the extent of money you want to make in a particular market. Take profit is also the exit point you want to get out of a market. Now, for example, this is USD If I'm to set my take profit quickly, I'm going to look at where I want to leave the market. Let's say here. Let's say I want to leave the market here. What do? That is 109.768. 109.768. I'll say okay, I'll take this trade by clicking on the right hand side where you have the SIM card like with a plus, SIM card like object with a plus at the middle. Now click on it. Then you type in what you saw there as your take profit. Remember what you saw there earlier, 109.770. You type it by your right hand side, 109.770. Now, the right hand side where you have the green line is where your take profit is. So you click on buy. Once you click on buy, automatically it takes you to your trading window where the market begin to trade, and it either goes upwards or downwards. Now, if you are heading towards your profit, that is towards where you said you're going to leave the market. For example, remember we said our TP is going to be at 109.77. This is it. Can you see that? And right now we enter the market here. That's where you have the dotted line, the current price, which is 109.7, is covering it. Now you can see it clearly. So from here, as it's going upwards, it means that you are moving towards your profit. Now, as soon as the blue one, which is 109.7 something, as soon as it crosses that line, you'll be in profit. So the more it goes up, then the more your trade that is running reduces in loss and enters into profit. Now, as soon as it hits that particular price, as soon as it goes up and hits 109.770, as soon as it gets to it, it pushes you out of the market with the profit you have made. Now, the more the distance from where you entered to your take profit, the more money you can make. You can see it's shifting upwards. You can see that it's going upwards. So that means you should be in profit. So this is how to enter your take profit. So as soon as it hits that 109.770, you should be in profit. You can see it's moving upwards. So ladies and gentlemen, my name is Stephen Ogechi. We represent Winners Trading Global. Remember, make sure you click on like if you like the video, and check our other videos. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you click on subscribe so that you can be getting all our videos on how to trade, what you need to do, etc. etc. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed our video.